Hey again, everybody. We're here for another Python tutorial, and we're going to show you today how to add comments to a project, and also just to kind of show the format of how we'll be turning in our work for our class this term. So I'm going to go up to the top, and I renamed my file from last time. Last time we used test.py, and I just called it paintcalculator.py. And if I go up to the very top, and then I'm going to put in just the pound sign, and then follow right after the pound sign I'm going to put in author, then date, then problem, and then title. And so this will go at the top of all of our projects and assignments and programs. So next to author, I'll put my name, then I will put in the date, so June 1st, 2016. And then after problem, this will be something that I'll normally give you on our assignment sheets. But problem for this example, for what we did, will be to write a program that calculates price per square foot for a painting project. And I'll write a program using Python that calculates price. Okay, so that looks good. And then for the title, whatever you want to call your program. And so for this one, we will just call this we'll just call it Paint Calculator. So that's the first part of our project. And then after that, we're going to put in our pseudocode. And so normally we would do this beforehand, but you get the idea. So I'm going to type in pseudocode, and then I'm going to put in start, just like we did with our activities before. And then we will just say break it down line by line. So we will say ask user for name, and then we'll say, and maybe we'll say for first name, then we'll say ask user for last name, and then we will say ask how many square feet, and then we will put in there greet user by their name, and then we can say calculate price for project, and then I will just say square foot times $2.09. And we have next we'll put down print the cost for the customer, and that looks pretty good. And then we'll say end. So there's our pseudocode that we would do, and that kind of helps us guide us with our projects. And then throughout the program, we can also put in these same comments, and we can say ask or input information for customer's name, and square foot. And then underneath that, we can put down another one that says greet customer, and then calculate price, and then say print price for customer. So we have that information on there, and when we look at this, it says, well, is this going to affect our code at all? And it doesn't. Anytime you start off with these pound signs, then we don't have to worry about it. It just skips right over it. So I'm going to go to my command prompt and type in pi, and I called this paint calculator.py, and it asked me for my name, and let's put 100 for the square footage. Hello, Mr. Peterson. The cost to paint your 100 square foot project is $209 US. And there's our program. So again, that's showing how to put in comments and how we'll use our heading with the author, date, problem, and title. We'll include our pseudocode, and then we'll break down with comments what each part of our code does to show that we understand what we are putting into our program. Thanks again, and have a good day.